Feeling lost in the maze of tax season and wondering if you even need to file? Don't worry. We're here to clear up the confusion and help you figure out if you're required to file an income tax return. This video will walk you through the key things you need to know in English-speaking countries. First, let's talk about income thresholds. Most countries have a minimum income level. If you earn less than this amount during the tax year, you likely don't need to file a return. This amount varies by country and sometimes even by age, so check your local tax authority's website. Next, residency matters. Even if you earned income in a country, you might not need to file if you're not considered a resident. Typically, spending a certain amount of time, often over 183 days, establishes residency. Keep in mind that these are general guidelines, and there are always exceptions. For instance, even if you're below the income threshold, you might still need to file if you had self-employment income, special tax credits, or if you're claiming a refund from taxes that were already withheld from your paycheck. Also, be aware of exemptions. Certain types of income might be tax-free, or you might be able to claim deductions to reduce your taxable income. These vary greatly, so research what's available in your country. The best way to be absolutely sure is to visit the website of your country's tax authority. They'll have the most up-to-date information and resources to help you determine your filing obligations. By understanding these basic rules, you can confidently determine whether you need to file an income tax return and ensure you're compliant with tax laws. Good luck!